What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please hit the like button and subscribe before, if you enjoyed this video. Obviously not going to get you to straight away, but we are actually working on the S14 today. It has been a long time coming because we need to get this car done. So what we're going to do, take the brakes off, start stripping underneath, taking the subframe off, fuel tank, the lot. We're just going to get on cracking and just doing the lot. Basically stripping the thing and just starting fresh. Let's get cracking. Let's actually start stripping these brakes, get them off, start underneath. Let's go. That exhaust is fucking huge. Look at this bad boy. The exhaust is out and out of the way. We can crack on with the other things. This is so claustrophobic. Right, it's time to drop the subframe. Right, so basically I've got rid of the two corners of the subframe. This part here is what holds up the prop shaft, or like a emergency thing. I'm not sure what you want to call it. I'm just laying it out so it's all simple. I've also undone my torch is actually dead, so I can't actually show you good lighting. But I've undone the prop shaft underneath here because I can't undo. It's so dark under here, you can't see. That's why I need torches. But I've undone the middle part of the prop shaft, because the backside on the rear diff is not coming off. Even with the disaster of the flamethrower. Fuck. But yeah, so what I've done is I've actually undone the everything around it. It's so dark you cannot see a single thing. I'm sorry for the lighting, but it is on charge. But yeah, I'm gonna drop the subframe now. But I think I need kind of someone else here. That would not come undone for whatever reason. So I've had to undo it there, keep that bit up there, drop the entire lot. Everything under here is actually ready to go. Shocks off. There's no brakes obviously because the brakes are being refurbished. So that's dropped. Up here is dropped, if you can see up there. That's dropped also. And yeah, the only thing that's holding it on is the actual jack so far. So, wish me luck. I'm just waiting for one of my pals to come over to help me kind of guide it off. Because if I drop it, it's just gonna tumble. With the S14, this is a good time to show you guys what is happening with the S14. So this is going to be a long project, right? So, oh Jesus Christ, literally, this car is huge in this little garage. We have dropped the subframe, right, which is here. We need to get all the bushings out, literally everything, because this is going to get powder coated. And obviously we got, when we dropped the subframe, we dropped all the arms, literally everything that you could literally, that's attached to it. So everything here is all going to get powder coated also to make it all nice and neat, because you can't find S14 bits like suspension parts like OEM easily. It's pretty much of a challenge. We dropped up the fuel tank. Like everything is going on. Underneath is looking like this. Where the tank was is absolutely mint. It's never been dropped in its life. But we're gonna tidy up the whole chassis, the chassis arms under there. Need new fuel tank straps, or whatever, these things, whatever you call them. Yeah, so literally everything up there, all up there, underneath there. But luckily these mounts here, what mounts the subframe, are really strong. So the rear end is what the major bits are going on. Inside strip, because we had to get the fuel pump disconnected. And up the front here, all the light wiring's all wired up, but we're gonna get better ones because it's not exactly neat and tidy. And probably sort out intercooler stuff. And also, when this video does drop, if anyone has a lovely LSD, please let me know, and we can trade you for a welded, because that's not the route we are going, is it?
No. No.
So yeah, so that is the update so far. But we have some lovely outfits. We're going to do a fit check for these.
That's going to be massive on me.
We're going to put this on the floor so we don't get all the dust and shit going between the new floor, and lay this down, so this will be like our bed sheet basically.
It's quite big.
How big is this?
Really big.
This is big.
Yeah.
It's very slippery. It's like we're going to murder someone. But yeah, this is what we're doing, so all the shit from up here can drop onto here and we can just wrap this up and chuck it, basically. Completed our murder room for the assassination of the S14. So, so we've got our lights underneath, which work really well because that's from Elise's tattoo studio, bigger. So underneath we've got all the lights, we've got the plastic down, and we are now prepared to put on our lovely suits. Let's get changed and let's do a fit check for, see how good we look in them.
Go on, give him the fit check.
What do you reckon? Poland Crocs with the bear from Ultra Race, and then we've got normal black socks on, and then look at the fit, look at the whole tracksuit outfit. This is from Hearst's for $3.99. I reckon I can walk down the street in this to the shop.
That just makes it. You look so unhappy. Let's get ready.
Okay, so we have done 4 days of cleaning underneath the 14. By the looks of it, it's coming along all right. So there's 4 days of going underneath, cleaning it up. We've been using this, a knotted wire wheel. And I can tell you that that thing works a treat. It's fucking amazing. So I'd recommend anyone to use that if you're doing something like this. It is a hell of a lot better than what it used to be. Thanks for watching. If you've watched this far, then I appreciate you guys, and please make a like on the video and just comment if you have enjoyed this video. Do you know what I mean? I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, peace. Catch you in the next one.